Okay, so in the previous video, we made it to something like this. Okay, this screenshot right here is Android Studio. Okay, we were too lazy to grab a screenshot of Flutter, but if you click on that, all right, it's gonna complain that you don't have an emulator. Okay, because you don't have an emulator. So what's an emulator? Emulator is an Android phone that's running inside your computer. Okay, so we're going to need to do a bunch of stuff. All right, please follow these instructions. Okay, I will kind of quickly show you. There's this thing over here where it's this tiny little Android figure for next to a phone. If we click on it, that's called an AVD manager. Right, it's an Android virtual device manager. Okay, and you probably want to create a new virtual device, and you're gonna get if you step through everything, right, it's going to create something for you. Just need to create a pixel device, not too high resolution, all right, not too gigantically small. All right, you do not need like a top end phone on your emulator because it's just gonna suck up resources from your computer, right? And that's dumb. Okay, be aware that it'll take up a lot of space, right? Look at this. I'm very sad. 11 gigabytes of space just for this fake Android phone. Okay, and when you're done, all right, you can press run, right? This run button, launch. Okay, hold up. Okay, all right, unable to look it. I have no idea what's going on. All right, so I'm just going to, ooh, it works. Okay, so ignore that. All right, so here's my emulator. Okay, not a very nice phone, right? But it's okay, right? It's enough for what I need. Okay, those of you on iOS, you can actually use the iOS simulator. All right, if you have Xcode and everything installed. I'm not going to go through that, but if you happen to have it, you can look into that as well. It performs a little bit better than the Android emulator. Okay, so once you have this, right, press this run button. Okay, it will try and link it up to whatever device you have, and at this point I'm ready for things to crash and run into problems. All right, there you go. It found it launched lib/main.dart running Gradle task, which means it's compiling, putting stuff together, stuffing things into a box and going biang 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 biang. All right, and hopefully something interesting is going to happen. Meanwhile, I'll just stare at the screen with a serious look. Very boring. Okay, you can press background. You can press background for it to work. And oh, there it is. Right, you can press background for it to work in the background. Right, it's a whole bunch of compilation. Right, it's taking all your scripts, right, all the frameworks and everything behind Flutter, and some more, it's converting that into Android code and finally into an app. Okay, so it will take a while. All right, it will take a while, and I'm just going to pause my recording until it comes up. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, here's the demo app, and this demo app is I love this demo app because this is an app that I get people to build all the time. It's a clicker, right? You press this button, and the number goes up. It's fantastic, right? It's tons of fun. It's hours and hours of entertainment, right? You can drop out of this course and just spend the rest of your 12 or so hours just clicking on this button and imagine the numbers you're gonna get. Don't do that. All right, so this is the demo app, and it looks like an Android app. It doesn't look like a web page or anything. All right, even though it's cross-platform. Okay, so all right, pretty nice. Okay, so that's so these are some of the setup steps about using Android Studio and downloading an AVD and things like that. Okay, but so you don't need the latest Android. Okay, you might need to install this thing called the Intel Hexam. Hello, cat. Okay, and yeah. All right, it's a whole bunch of stuff you need to set up. Okay, so after that, right, after you're done with this particular thing, right, you're done. Oh, I'm done. Right, don't close the AVD. Right, don't close the AVD. You know how long it took for that to show up? It took like 3 whole minutes for me. Right, that's how long I paused the video. Okay, so yeah, don't take too long. Hello, cat. All right, so where was I? All right, so what I want to do is let's continue with the slides. Okay. And you can use the iOS simulator, or you can connect your phone, right? Don't forget, right? You probably have a phone. If you connect the phone to your computer, right? On Android, you have to turn on developer mode, which means you have to go to the settings, press the about button 7 times, Google for it, all right? And then after that, you can actually run it, right? It will show up as an option inside Android Studio right here. Okay, so over here, instead of no devices, it'll actually, no, it's here. Right, it'll actually show this thing. Okay, so yeah, all right. So here you go. Target selector, config selector, run etc., etc. So you just want to click run. All right. So Dart. All right. Wait, right? This should be a different video. Nah, stop. Okay, stop. Where's my stop button?